I just got a new camera, Canon G7X. Let's just say the quality of these videos is about to be top notch. Now, enough of the chit chat. Let's get to why you guys are here. You see that? The Nike Blazer, off-white, all Hallows Eve. This is probably my favorite off-white shoe that has released. I think personally it's in the top 3. So this shoe released as part of a spooky pack, which consisted of the Grim Reapers and the All Hallows Eve. So the Grim Reapers was the black colorway and the All Hallows Eve is the butterscotch vanilla colorway. The official colorway is listed as Canvas Total Orange. I didn't luck out on the sneakers app during the draw. Didn't get lucky in any raffles. When I want a sneaker, I go out and get it. So we're gonna do a review, unboxing, on foot. I need you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into it. Retail price of $130. Beauty. Woo! Damn, look at this. Getting right into it with this bright orange swoosh, the OG Nike logo color. Then we have one of my favorite parts, which is this turquoise teal tab, and they have the laces to match with that, which I'll show you in a sec. The upper has this material, which is the exact material used on the Nike React Element 87. So it's that translucent material. That on the back, this Nike logo, it's really soft to the touch. It's exposed foam. Medial side, we have the off-white stamp, standard on every shoe, but this one, Nike Blazer mid. Left shoe, we have this really nice light blue zip tie. I think this is the first, this and the Grim Reapers are the only shoe that have this color zip tie, which is really cool. You know, normally it's like red, but yeah, I really like this color. Now across where the eyelets are for the laces, this is a suede, right? So it's suede on both sides, and then you have the suede running along this mid area of the foot as well. Look at these laces. I love this color. It's so nice. The way it like complements this tab, so sick. As far as fit, these do fit true to size, so I recommend going your normal size. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this tongue. You know, the tongue was hidden when I was doing the earlier portion of the video, but yeah, here's... Let's do the lace swap. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.